DataAnnotation Tech is a remote work platform that connects freelancers to task training AI models. The company itself is legit. Many workers report earning thousands per year, paid reliably to PayPal. But scams exist. If you're contacted through Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp, or asked for ID outside the official shop, that's not real. The genuine process involves online assessments and secure ID verification only after acceptance. Even then, work availability can be inconsistent, communication minimal, and contractors sometimes dropped without explanation. So the verdict is that data annotation tech is not a scam, but it's demanding, unstable, and vulnerable to impersonators. Stick to the official site and treat it as a supplemental income, not a guaranteed job. You can also check Reddit for reviews on this data annotation tech and look at the comments because they are giving some reviews and their personal experience on the app.